In this video, I'm going to be opening up and setting up the all-in-one conference camera system by Tongveo. This is a PTZ camera system. It also has a microphone and a speaker inside of it. So this is going to go in our conference room, which has a TV here and a conference table. So I'm going to have the speakers or speaker in the middle of the table here, and then I'm going to put the camera right below the TV so that it gets a view of our conference table as we're in meetings. So let's see what's inside. It's like nothing bracket. So here's the microphone and the speaker. Looks like pretty high quality stuff. This is the camera that I'll be mounting. Okay, so that's everything out of the box for sure. So let me figure out what's going on here. All right, so it came with a power cord that connects to an adapter, and then there's a power cord for the speaker, which is just micro USB to USB. So this is gonna get its power over the USB port when you plug it into a laptop. And then for the camera, it's gonna connect into a laptop through a USB port, and it has this long cable. I'm sure there's Bluetooth options as well, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use that in this office because there are a lot of people that have trouble with technology. So sometimes just having a cord and plugging a cord in is the best option for certain people. So we'll be doing that. I'm now going to start testing this equipment. Okay, so I just started a Teams meeting with just myself, and I got my camera set up, and the quality looks really great. I love it. I just connected the speaker into my computer as well, and it immediately lit up and started talking to me, saying, Bluetooth speaker options, and saying that it's the type of speaker. And I just saw a notice come up, so I'm gonna go ahead and click my drop down here so that I can switch to my, it looks like it switched to that speaker automatically. Tongveo speaker. Testing. Cool, looks like it is connected properly. Now my next step is, I guess I need to have someone else join this meeting so that we can test out the quality of everything. Okay, the setup worked successfully in our test. Now I need to build some kind of mount so that this looks a little bit better than a cardboard box. And I'm gonna run the cables up and under and kind of break through in the middle and have the cables come out the middle. That'll probably be what we do. So we have this conference room table, and we got a new camera system and speaker microphone set up. And in order to use it without having cords run across the table, we're gonna go ahead and put one of those holes in the middle of the table so that the cords can go underneath the bottom and come out. So here is what I'm gonna do. In this other room, I had one of these old desks that we're not using, and it had the same type of setup where it has a hole drilled in, and it has this cable holder. So I took that out, and I'm actually gonna put that in our main conference room. All right, first step is I need to find the center of the table. Don't have a tape measure with me handy, so I just got a piece of string, and I measured it the exact length and cut it to length of the table. Then I folded it in half, and that showed me this point right here that I marked. So that's the center of my table. Next step is I'm gonna take this cap and I'm gonna center it in that mark, and then I'm gonna draw a circle around so that I have a point where I'm gonna cut out. Okay, there it is. And it passes the gut check when you just look at the table too, so I know that that is right in the center. Next, I'm gonna start cutting this out. Okay, just finished drilling and cutting. the hole, and it is absolutely perfect. Love the way it fits. There's no damage around the edge at all, so it looks like it's meant to be in there. And then I have this cap that will go right there. Now time to get cleaned up. Okay, and this is how it ended up. Got the table nice and clean. Got my camera set up. Cables are going under. Got my speaker microphone combo right here. So this is my HDMI cable to the TV. This is my cable for audio, and this is my cable for video. So then my next step is I'm just gonna go ahead and tag each of these cables so that it's very user-friendly and people understand how to use this. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.